We'll guide you through how to make a chess edit on CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch the CapCut desktop software on your computer to begin your creative journey today. Click Sign in the top left corner of the dashboard to start. Choose Sign in with Google for a fast login process. Select the specific Google account you wish to use now. Click the Continue button on the permission screen to authorize access. Select Open CapCut in the browser pop-up to return to the interface. Confirm you're logged in to access all software features and cloud storage. Click Create Project to open the active editing workspace area. Select the Import button to add your raw chess footage, such as close-ups of pieces or intense player reactions. Navigate local folders to locate the specific media assets needed for your edit. Select the video files you intend to use for your project. Click Open to bring assets into your project media library. Drag your media directly onto the main horizontal timeline to begin building your sequence. Click the Audio tab on the left to browse music options. Select the classical genre to match the sophisticated, intellectual theme of chess. Choose the best audio track and click the plus button to add it to the timeline. Trim the audio file to align perfectly with your video length and beat structure. Add transitions to make smoother visibility that keeps viewers engaged. Click the Filters tab to browse for aesthetic styles. Choose a filter that enhances the atmosphere often associated with competitive chess. Drag your chosen filter onto the timeline above your video clips to apply. Adjust the filter duration by dragging the edges to match your entire video sequence. Play the preview to ensure the visual and audio alignment is perfectly accurate. Click the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Set the resolution to 1080p for high-definition quality for your audience. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting to maintain image clarity during fast-paced moves. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum modern device compatibility. Select MP4 as your output format for a perfect balance of quality and file size. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth playback. Click Export at the bottom to begin the final rendering process. Your video is now ready to share directly.